Imagine Google Assistant, but smarter, more conversational, and infinitely more capable. While Gemini isn't a direct replacement for Google Assistant in its current form, we're going to explore how their potential integration unlocks a whole new level of voice interaction. Think of it as upgrading your familiar assistant experience with the advanced reasoning of Gemini AI. The key lies in how we frame our voice commands instead of simple factual questions. We can start asking Gemini-powered Assistant for more nuanced tasks, for instance. Instead of asking, "What's the weather?" you might be able to say, "Gemini, tell me if I need a light jacket for my afternoon meeting at the park, considering the current temperature and wind." This opens up a world of practical use cases planning a trip. You could ask, "Gemini, help me map out a weekend itinerary for a family trip to the coast, focusing on kid-friendly activities and seafood restaurants within a medium budget." Conversational interactions become more natural. You can follow up on previous requests without needing to repeat context. If you asked about a recipe earlier, you might then say, "Gemini, can you convert those ingredient measurements to metric for me?" This isn't just about asking questions. It's about receiving intelligent summaries, creative suggestions, and personalized assistance. As this integration evolves, your Google Assistant will understand intent and provide richer, more context-aware responses, making it an even more indispensable tool in your daily life.